Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the delightful world of backyard chickens. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting out, this video will guide you through selecting the best chicken breeds for egg production, setting up the perfect chicken coop, and ensuring your chickens are healthy and well fed. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about chicken breeds. If you're aiming for a steady supply of fresh eggs, choosing the right breed is crucial. Some of the top contenders include the prolific Leghorn, known for laying up to 300 white eggs per year, and the friendly Rhode Island Red, which can provide around 200 to 300 brown eggs annually. And if you're looking for something a bit more colorful, consider breeds like the Easter Egger, which lays eggs in shades of blue, green, or pink. Now moving on to their home, the chicken coop. A well-designed coop is essential for keeping your chickens safe and comfortable. Ensure your coop has enough space with at least 2 to 3 square feet per chicken inside and 10 square feet in an outdoor run. Ventilation is key to prevent respiratory issues, but make sure the coop is also draft-free during colder months. Inside the coop, nest boxes and perches are a must. Provide one nest box for every 3 to 4 hens and ensure there's enough perch space for all your chickens to roost comfortably. And don't forget about protection. Secure your coop against predators with sturdy construction and locks. Feeding your chickens correctly is also vital for their health and egg production. A balanced diet rich in protein and calcium will help keep your hens laying regularly. And always provide fresh water and clean their living area frequently to prevent diseases. Regular health checks are important too. Keep an eye out for any signs of distress or illness, and consult a vet if you notice anything unusual. Remember, a happy and healthy chicken is a productive chicken. And there you have it. By choosing the right breeds, creating a secure and comfortable coop, and maintaining proper health and diet, you'll be well on your way to enjoying fresh, home-laid eggs. It's not just about the eggs, it's about connecting with nature and enjoying the satisfaction of caring for your backyard flock. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our podcast for more in-depth discussions on raising chickens and other homesteading adventures. See you next time.